All right, Friday morning, time to get rolling. Last day of trading for the week, last day of trading for the month. So we're moving out of July into August, which is hard to believe. Only a few more weeks left of summer. So yesterday, big day. GDP report comes out. Not as bad as expected, but still horrendous nonetheless. Contraction of over 32%. That bumps these markets around a little bit, puts some pressure on them, finished the day lower with the exception of the Nasdaq. So last night after the close, a bunch of these big tech companies like Apple and Amazon report their earnings, absolutely smash it. You have Apple trading north of 6% in the pre-market, Amazon trading north of 6% in the pre-market. Even still, this Nasdaq is having a hard time getting going this morning, as we're seeing pressure on a lot of names because we have some uncertainty still in this market. And that uncertainty right now is really around some of these measures that we put in place pre-pandemic, or as this pandemic kicked off, like unemployment benefits. Those unemployment benefits are set to expire today, and there's no clarity right now if there's going to be a continuation. It doesn't seem like there's anything even on the table right now. So you've got some uncertainty there that seems to be holding these markets back just a bit. Now you look at some of these other markets like currencies. Dollar continues to get crushed. You've got the British pound up above 1.31 now. You've got the euro up above 1.18. So some big moves in the currency market. Look over at the commodities. Gold continues to rip higher. We're just shy of $2,000 an ounce. And oil, with a bit of a bounce back today after 2 days of getting leaned on. We've got oil up above $40 a barrel in WTI. So still some movement out there, still some opportunity. Like I said, it is month end, so portfolio rebalancing will take place, which tends to create some erratic moves in the market, so something to be aware of. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll check in with you again on Monday. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's get out. Let's enjoy these final weeks of summer. All right, folks, take care. Bye-bye.